The water flows through this creek, much like the energy flows through your body. As you see, there are several pools where the water swirls around before flowing on. These pools are like our chakras. If nothing else were around, this creek would flow pure and clear. However, life is messy and things tend to fall in the creek. You must gain balance within yourself before you can bring balance to the world. In order to master the avatar state, you must open all the chakras. There are 7 chakras that go up the body. Each pool of energy has a purpose and can be blocked by a specific kind of emotional muck. Be warned, opening the chakras is an intense experience, and once you begin this process, you cannot stop until all 7 are open. Are you ready? First, we will open the Earth Chakra, located at the base of the spine. It deals with survival and is blocked by fear. You are concerned for your survival, but you must surrender those fears. Let your fears flow down the creek. This chakra deals with pleasure and is blocked by guilt. Now, look at all the guilt which burdens you so. What do you blame yourself for? Accept the reality that these things happen, but do not let them cloud and poison your energy. If you are to be a positive influence on the world, you need to forgive yourself. Third is the fire chakra, located in the stomach. This chakra deals with willpower and is blocked by shame. What are you ashamed of? You will never find balance if you deny this part of your life. The fourth chakra is located in the heart. It deals with love and is blocked by grief. Lay all your grief out in front of you. You have indeed felt a great loss. But love is a form of energy, and it swirls all around us. Let the pain flow away. Very good. The fifth in the chain is the sound chakra, located in the throat. It deals with truth and is blocked by lies, the ones we tell ourselves. You cannot lie about your own nature. You must accept that you are the avatar. Very good. You have opened the chakra of truth. The sixth pole of energy is the light chakra, located in the center of the forehead. It deals with insight and is blocked by illusion. The greatest illusion of this world is the illusion of separation. Things you think are separate and different are actually one and the same. Even the separation of the four elements is an illusion. If you open your mind, you will see that all the elements are one, four parts of the same whole. Even metal is just a part of earth that has been purified and refined. Once you open this chakra, you will be able to go in and out of the avatar state at will. And when you are in the avatar state, you will have complete control and awareness of all your actions. The thought chakra is located at the crown of the head. It deals with pure cosmic energy and is blocked by earthly attachment. Meditate on what attaches you to this world. Now, let all of those attachments go. Let the pure cosmic energy flow.